to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright guys, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So in this video I want to show you how to split your videos in CapCut. How to split your video. What do I mean by splitting? Splitting means you dividing your video clip into two. You divide the part. You can use splitting to remove the part that you don't want. Okay, you can also use splitting to, let's say, separate a video into two and then add another video in between that video. Okay, let's say for example now I just say, hello guys, I want you to know this, just like that, right? I just say, hello guys, I want you to know this. Okay, and I want it in a way that when the video of hello guys played, I want a different clip to just play before you now show the video when I said I want you to know this. Can you see now? But when I did the video, I just made the video to be one. I just said, hello guys, I want you to know this. But when I was editing, but doing editing, I want in a way whereby the video when I said hello guys will just be the one, you will just be the first thing that will show. Then another clip altogether will come in before a video of I want you to know this to be, okay, to just display. Okay, so for you to know that, it's over that you have to add the first video which shows hello guys, I want you to know this, which the two voices are together, right? So that is one clip. So when you added that one clip, you now have to split it. You have to divide it so that hello guys will be different, then I want you to know this will be different, and then you now add the ones that you want to be in between them. So I believe you understand it, right? So let's go over to CapCut and I will now show you what it means by splitting and also how to achieve it. So let's say I added I click on new project, I go over to my videos and then select the video that I want. Let's say I select this video now. Which video am I going to select? Okay, let's say I select this video now. Select this video now. I click on add. Okay, so this is the total. This video is up to 7 minutes. I say okay, can you see this video? Let me play it. Can you see now? After this intro now, which shows testimonial, okay, there is something this lady said. Okay, I can say okay, I just want, let me make this video to be short. Okay, from here, can you see a display of students doing computer training and all that? Okay, I can say okay, I want this video that is showing students operating computer, I want it to be in between. I want you to show after this intro, after this banner now. Okay, I want the picture where we're able to see group of students to come in before this my students saying our own reviews. Okay, so to do that, I have to first of all come here, know where this banner stop. Can you see? I have to play it. Okay, can you see this where it stopped? Can you see where it stopped? Okay, I come here, select the clip. You have to select the clip. Remember, any effect that you want to add on anything, you have to select it first. Can you see? I just select the clip now. Click on split. Can you see split? I click on split. Can you see? Remember, this clip is just one clip, but being I splitted it now, we have two clips. Can you see? 1 and 2. If we click and hold, okay, we now have 1 and 2. Okay, remember, we want after this intro, we want the video of those students to come in, right? So I'm now going to move here. I'll check where the video of those students started. Let's say from here, right? I'll select the clip, click on split. Okay, can you see now we have one clip. We have which starts here, right? This one starts here and ends here. Can you see? This is the second clip, then this is the first clip, right? So remember now we want this one to be in between other ones, and remember this lady started again, so I want to remove this part. at all. I want to remove this part. Come here, select it, then I'll remove the remaining part. Select delete. So we now have 3 clips, 1 2 3. It should have been 4 being I've deleted the last one. So this one now, remember, I want this students display to show after this, right? So what I'm going to do now, can you see I'm able to split it, right? What I'm going to do is I have to select this. When I select it, I'll then move it. Can you see we have 3 clips? Can you see? Just place and hold, guys. Let me do it again. You select this, place it and hold it. Don't break your phone screen, please, but place and hold it. Then capcut will show display your clips on this interface. Okay, just like this, and then you move it. Can you see how I just draw it? Can you see now it's now at the middle, right? If I want it to be the first, can you see now it's now the first, but I want it to be in the middle. Okay, can you see? I'll just leave it. Okay, can you see now? So after this one playing, can you see it will now show the students. Okay, after the students, these are my students. After the students, you now see it. All right, let me also use this opportunity to tell you, if you want to learn digital skills with this computer training, graphic design, mobile video editing, coding, web development, front end, Facebook ads, and lots more, you can just chat me up. You can just tell me on the comment section, and I will now give you the link for you to shut me up on WhatsApp. Then we navigate. We offer physical and online tutorials. You can, wherever you are, you can join us and be part of our students and learn amazing skills that will earn you money and also make you to be relevant to your society. All right, guys, so that is it. So that is it, guys. But let's say, for example, you want to add, remember I showed you on the previous tutorial that I don't like using this. Yes, all my video, you cannot know the application that I use to edit my video. Do you know why? Because I'm using the pro versions. Okay, on this capcut now I'm using pro versions. That is why you're not able to see watermark, you're not able to see capcut on any part of this video. So but as I'm editing it, you're going to see the outro of capcut. But I'm going to delete it. I'll select it, I'll delete it. Okay, remember I've told you on the previous tutorial, if you need capcut pro, just tell me on the comment section that I need capcut pro and I'll give you a warm reply. All right, so that is it, guys. So let's say, for example, you want to add extra clip, you want to add more videos, right, or even an image. You just come here. Can you see it say add ending? Or you come here, click here. Can you see here? I click here. Okay, I'll click here. Let's say I want to add music, or as I want to add video. Okay, can select the video that I want to add. Let's say I want to add this video now. I want a short clip. Let's say I want to add this video now. Select it. I click on add. Okay, can you see now it is the last? Can you see it is the last? Can you see now? So I can decide to say, okay, I want this video to come after this students display. Select it. Remember how we did it before? Just select it, draw it. Can you see? Okay, so that is how to split and also how to add more clips to your videos in capcut. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share this video. All right, I will see you in the next tutorial where we'll be talking about more amazing things that you can do.